Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Sony SRS XB12. So these are a mid-range kind of a speaker with feature a 10-watt speaker. So let's go through the box first and then we'll unbox this. So we have some highlights here on the top: 16-hour battery life, Bluetooth 4.2, IP67 rated. They also have a lanyard kind of a thing which you can attach to the speaker, and then maybe we can use it to hang around stuff, something like this. And it also comes with a feature where we can pair more than one speaker together to have a stereo effect. The price quoted on the box is around 4,990 rupees, but it's available for anywhere between 3,600 and 4,000 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. I'll leave the links to the speaker in the description. If you want to buy that, do use those links as it does help the channel. Now let's unbox the speaker and have a closer look. So the seal is off. So we have some booklet here, probably the warranty. We have the user guide and the I believe this is the this tells us about the contents and how to use the speaker. And this is the reference guide. Here is the speaker itself. So the color which I've got is the blue one. So yeah, it feels really nice and it fits in the hand very well. We have the Sony branding here. We'll keep it to the side and we'll come back to it later. We also have the micro USB cable. Yeah, of course it does not have the Type-C port, rather it has the micro USB port, and we get the cable here as well. So let's keep these things to the side and let's have a look at the speaker. So this is the fabric lanyard which I was talking about, which is attached right here, and it can be taken off as well. On the top we have the speaker unit and this metal mesh here, which feels good. And the entire speaker feels kind of soft to touch. It feels like rubber, but I don't think it is. It is soft to touch though. We also have the power on and off, as well as the pairing button, the volume down and the voluming up button, the play and the pause button, and add button is there to add it to other speakers. Like same thing, like we can have left and right and we can have stereo effect. On the bottom we have some areas for the air to get in and like to work with the bass, because this is, of course, at the end of the day, this is an extra bass speaker from this Sony. Here we have a door behind which we can see an audio in, aux port, a reset hole, and a micro USB port which says DC in 5 volts. So let's close the door. Let's pair it to my phone and let's see how this sounds. So this is in pairing mode now. So SRS XB12. Let's pair. So you heard that chime, right? So that's how we know that it gets paired. So I'll be playing some copyright-free music and let's see how it performs. So this was at maximum volume, and I do think for its size it does get really loud. I can't really comment on the audio much because like I just unboxed the product, but it seems to be good. Let's play another song. So that, guys, was the Sony SRS XB12 speaker from Sony. If you have any questions about the speaker, do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Also, if you want to buy these, you can buy it from the affiliate links in the description, as it does help the channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.